Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in Dunder in St. Elizabeth, very close to Junction town. It's about roughly a 5 minutes drive to Junction town, depends from where you're coming from. So I just want to thank you all for stopping by on the channel. This is your tour guide Fire Reid, who take you to many different places in Jamaica, rural areas, also town area. So if you like this community guys, very peaceful, very quiet, so tell me what you think about it in the comment section. If you would live here, what you think about this beautiful community. You will see a lot of different types of houses. Yeah man, when you come on the Junction side, is something to talk about. Them take pride in them house, and also their area very clean. So tell me what you think. Yeah man, so this channel is all about Jamaica, when to go, where to go. As you can see, look at the road condition. You know, in Jamaica sometimes you have a lot of areas have a lot of bad roads, so sometimes the community people them come about and help each other to fix the road. Big up yourself, Papi. Yes, yeah man, big up yourself. You know, if I see any property for sale, I'm gonna stop and also give you the information, if to give you the number so you can call and investigate on the property house if you're interested. Yeah man, so I don't know, Jamaica nice. No matter what they must say about Jamaica, my people, I love my beautiful island. What you think about Jamaica? Yeah man, just leave in the comment section. Make me know where I go on. And in this area also, I see where they do a lot of farming. When you come on them side, they can get a whole of your seasoning like a scallion, thyme, onion, sweet pepper. You can name it all in the company south side, Junction, one of them places, cheap side. Yeah man. So if you're new to the channel, you can indicate where you're watching from. Also, if you learn something about this area, also Jamaica, you can share the video, like the video, free of cost. Yeah man, free of cost. So like up the video man, like up the video. Yeah man, so when you're driving in them area, very peaceful community. I know a lot of residents want to come into the Junction area, want to buy a piece of property. Maybe them heard about Dunder but never get the chance to see a drive-through in Dunder. So I taking the time out for making people them to see what I go on. As you can see, need some rain in the area now, do you know say. It's been a while now, we don't get any rain in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I think water is also in this area too. Yeah man, Junction, some part of Junction get water in the area, and also if you also visit Junction town, it's a beauty. To me, it's one of the richest town in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Also cleanest in St. Elizabeth. Very quiet town. And also, you know, so the farmers them, big up all the farmers them in the St. Elizabeth area, all over in Jamaica, and big up yourself. One love and one heart. Look on them beautiful house here man. And one thing me tell you about Junction people, them over on the south side, them take pride in them house, them community. Very, very nice area in St. Elizabeth, guys. Yeah, man. So I see few gungo tree, you know, say gungo and rice and peas, me I tell you. So anybody know how to cook them gungo and rice and peas, and big up on yourself, you know Jamaican can cook like that. So big up all the Jamaican, the American, them Canadian, UK, Bahamas, Antigua, Grenada, and big up on yourself. Everyone watching right now, and big up on yourself. If it wasn't for you, yeah man, my people, this channel would not be growing. So big up all the time, man. One love and one heart from Fire Reid on a Jamaican tour guide. Yes, my people. So we are now in the Bull Savannah area. So we're gonna make the left turn. I think I'm gonna make the stop right at the Bull Savannah Church. I don't remember the church name. If it's a Adventist. So that's gonna be our destination for today. So I just want to thank you all for stopping by on the channel and always give your support. Thanks a lot. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. Yeah man, I don't know, so I keep on big up my fans them everywhere. Look at the beauty in Bull Savannah area. This road will take you back to the Junction town area. Yeah man, right into the Junction town. Can take you right back also to Newell, Watchwell, Black River, Santa Cruz. So I think is the Church of God of Prophecy. Yeah man, Church of God of Prophecy. So you all can look out for many more videos in St. Elizabeth, also Manchester, Westmoreland, Clarendon. Many new videos coming up soon. So have a blessed day. Peace and out.